Are you tired of hearing about risky crypto scam and complex investments? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $1,000 a month from home without needing any crypto or capital. Let's talk. I have tried over 10 different side hustles, and these 3 have consistently helped me earn over $1,000 each month. They are simple, beginner-friendly, and require zero experience. First of all is remote content writing. If you enjoy writing or researching, this is a perfect fit. You can start by signing up on sites like Upwork or Fiverr and offering short services like product description or social media posts. You can easily make $20 per article. Write 5 articles a week, and that is an extra $400 a month. Next, we have online tutoring. If you are good at any subject or even a skill like playing guitar or coding, there is a demand for it. You can sign up as a tutor on platforms like VIPKid or tutor.com. With tutoring, you can earn $15 to $25 per hour. 10 hours a week can easily get you to $1,000 per month. Finally, let's talk about remote customer support. Companies like Amazon hire people for seasonal customer support role, and you can work from the comfort of your home. This role pays around $12 to $18 an hour, making it easy to hit your $1,000 target with just a few hours each week. Do you want an extra quick win? You can also try transcribing audio file for cash. Company pay up to $20 per hour for this task. Or you can combine 2 of these methods to double your earning. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out my other video on 5 side hustles you can start today with no experience. See you there.